So here is this trending app which is called MyNBA 2K23. This app is released every year and it just changes the name. So previously it was MyNBA 2K21, 2K22 and something like that. And yeah, this is the app where you can just log in, create your account, and this is the companion app. Connect your console account, redeem locker codes, watch the latest video, keep up with the latest news and events, check out your VC balance, and then you can personalize my player in NBA 2K23 on PS5, 4, Xbox Series, Xbox One, Steam, and Nintendo Switch using your mobile device. So yeah, that's basically how it looks like. So you can scan your face. And then yeah, that's basically how it looks. And then I just download it. So that's what you do to install it on iPhone. This is how it looks like. And there you have it. Here you can select all of that, and then you can just tap to start and then accept terms and then log in here. Here you need to have either a Steam account or Xbox Live or NSO, PSN, so something like that. Hope that is helpful.